So here we are, Auster spray paint review. So Auster is the first Colombian graffiti spray paint, I believe. This is a can of it, looks pretty funky, pretty fresh. Loads of people said to me it looks like a can of beer, which it definitely kind of does. So what is the deal with this? So I have used it before. Opacity, I've only used light shades, right? So I haven't used any dark shades, so I don't know what the coverage is like with the dark shades, which I guess is probably quite good because, you know, they're dark shades. But anyway, light shades, it's not the best coverage, to be fair. But I will say it is ultra low pressure, like they say in their media spiel. So yeah, it's all right. It's good for details, stuff like that. What else? Acrylic based formula. I think it's like a semi-gloss or I don't know. It's definitely not a gloss. I don't think it is anyway. So yeah, let's give it a try today. Alright, for your information, I'm only going to be using the Auster spray paint for the outline, 3D, and that's about it really. So basically, the rest of it is going to be a mix-up of all sorts of other paint like AKA, Cobra, Dope, yeah, other stuff. Flame blue. Right, let's get sketching. Here it goes. So I'm going to kick off with this one, Verde Quito, however you say that. So it's like a mid-green, quite nice. Going to use a banana universal. And that's basically it. Just do the outline. See how it goes. It is a really hot day and these cans have been sitting in the sun for a little while, so they're probably quite savage with the pressure. But we'll see. See, can you see that? It doesn't cover that well. Another brand like Loop or I don't know, Flame Blue would definitely cover better than that. But yeah, like the AKA paint, I'd definitely use it. It's better than some of the brands I've used, like Illuminati, which is like an old school UK paint brand, which really is pretty poor. Like the valve is rough, and this valve is quite nice, I've got to say. Cover's all right. shit. Missed a big bit of orange. Right, so yellow banana. I'm not too happy with the lines, they're not that crisp, so switch it up to level 1, see what happens. They're generally a little bit faster, aren't they? So maybe it's just my can control. Right. Yeah, much crisper with the level 1. Well, definitely faster. Go level 1 on a Verde Valparaiso. Add a bit of this to the 3D. Don't have much of it left. It's actually quite nice having it like thinner paint, better for fading really. So here we go, that is it for this video. Would I use Auster spray paint again? The answer is yes, I would, but I'll try and steer clear of the lighter shades unless I was using a light background, which is well prepared. So yeah, pros for me are basically nice valve system and low pressure as well, which kind of go hand in hand, those two. And also a NyQuil fits on it nicely, so that's also a bonus. Right, what else do you need to know? You also need to know that the negatives for me are just the low opacity. I haven't tried any of the darker shades, but I'm sure they're probably pretty good. Probably better than a lot of other brands in my opinion, if the opacity is there. So what do you need to know? There are 72 matte colours in the range. It's a Colombian spray paint brand. It's the first from Colombia, I believe. The raw materials are sourced from USA, so they're probably of quite good quality. I also think that there's 4-year UV degradation guarantee with Auster spray paint, which I don't think there are any spray paint brands out there that actually guarantee UV degradation anymore. I believe Molotov, I believe they've stopped doing it. I know they used to do it, but anyway, enough of me rambling on. If you like this video and you want to see more graffiti spray paint reviews alongside my other videos, then please subscribe, because I've got a few good videos coming up. Give this video a thumbs up, because that's always very handy, and drop a comment. Let me know if you've used Auster spray paint before, and I don't know, have you got any questions? Have I missed anything? Anyway, that's enough of me rambling on. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.